Hi guys, today we're introducing ourselves to you. Us, which is me, Paul, Benedict, and our friend Robin.
Hello, my name is Benedict, I am 16 years old and I am from Germany, Frankfurt Höchst. I am going to the school Heinrich Kleyer. I think you know about this. Okay, what are my hobbies? My hobbies is computer games and drawing. I think for a boy is drawing very special and this is what for me is very special about me. And um, there is a important quote for me from my father that he say every time if I make something stupid, for example, I let drop a plate or something. He said that every time to me bad luck happen every time because of unintention. Thank you for your time.
Hi, I'm Paul. I am 15 years old. I don't live in Frankfurt. I live in a suburb, you can say. Um, so my hobbies are I build PCs and play the piano. What makes me special is that I make music like commercially and I've earned a bit of money off of it. So my special quote is Heaven is nowhere, just look to the stars. It's of a song I quite like. Um, and it basically just sums up my life because I do not believe in any higher power.